Hey everyone, Jay here, and the other day I saw some really cool sunglasses that I wanted for my birthday. So I just shared a link and said that that's all I wanted for my birthday. And lo and behold, dun, 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 my late friend ended up getting me an early birthday present and ordering these for me. These are the Care Bears 40th anniversary sunglasses. So we're gonna open these up and take a look at them and just show you guys how cool these really are. As you can see, I'm not in the kitchen, I'm actually in the studio. So this is gonna be a little more difficult because I've got a microphone right in front of me. I'm not using my lapel mic because I don't like that thing. So I'm gonna try to open this up and show you guys with this. You can't see it, but it's like right in front of my face. I have already opened these up, just a disclaimer, just to check them out and make sure that they were all good. But we're gonna open these up and show you what is inside this box. These are from Knockaround. I actually have another pair of sunglasses I ordered from them, the Nerf sunglasses, which I don't have here to show you. Hopefully I can throw up a picture or something like that. But today, we're gonna open this up. These Knockaround sunglasses are really, really nice because they come in these really sweet little pouches here. And this one has this great design on here with quite a few Care Bears. I don't know their names, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I know like Luck Bear and Share Bear. I think that's about it. But all these glasses come in this nice little bag. So we're going to take these out. Set this aside. And I know it's a little blurry because it's focused on my face, but I will show you close-ups. These are really, really nice looking. They're like pretty much like a see-through turquoisey-ish green. They're like a darker turquoise on the top and like a lighter turquoise at the bottom. And there's a little heart. There's a little heart in the corner. Right there. It features stars and rainbows and hearts, and actually the glasses themselves, oh yeah, okay, so the glasses themselves on the outside do not show any Care Bears, but on the inside arm here, it does show, I don't know which one that is, the purple one. They're probably all purple, but he's holding a star and it says Care Bears 40th, so they are celebrating their 40th anniversary. So and how do these look? They're awesome. I can't tell you how awesome these are. They fit really, really nice. They're not too snug, not too loose. I mean, I could swear these were like made for my melon. I love the color of the reflection in the glasses too. It's really, really sharp. These are great for doing the Care Bear stare. Anyway, yeah, so it's not like I'm not a fan of the Care Bears. Obviously, if you've seen my soda reviews, I usually use my Care Bear glasses here. This one is Tenderheart Bear, and this one is Grumpy Bear. I usually use these, like I said, for my soda reviews. So thanks everybody for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to check me out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and of course right here on the YouTube's channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Did that work? Everyone does that. I don't want to do that. I want to do something different. Punch. Brr.